Look, I make it rain on whoever. I make it rain at whoever. Bitch, I'm a dog, a blue devil. I got.
She's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be dyeing my hair, and yeah, so I'm gonna be using basically, this is what I'm gonna be using, Crème of Nature. Excuse me, Crème of Nature. No, it's not sponsored, but I'm using Crème of Nature, and it's the C32 Spice Red. I'm trying to get like the, I'm not gonna say the popular, but the popular color, you know, the little orangish color, orange reddish color. That's what I'm trying to go for because I like the color. It's not because it's popular, but whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna try using this. I got 2 boxes. I have my brush, I have my shower cap, and I have only 1 clip, so I'm probably just gonna be braiding my hair up or figuring, I don't know, something out. I got a bow and I got the towel. So yeah, the shirt is a little raggedy only because I don't want to dye it. So yeah, I'm not about to wear no nice shirt for the video and then I'm walking out with dye all over my shirt and it's ruined. But yes, so guys, I'm gonna be combing my hair, showing you guys English. I'm gonna be combing my hair, showing you guys everything from start to finish. So yeah, sit tight and let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so this is before the dye. All I did was comb it, section it, braid it up, and yeah, mind y'all, I don't know if I showed y'all, but I did cut my hair in the, when I was doing my wig, I cut it. And so like, if you was to be, like if you noticed, when I would comb it, all it was majority of the time like the same length type thing. That's because I cut it all, made it all even, and I tried to like get on my split ends. Now if that worked, I don't know, but that was the goal of it. So hopefully it did. That made them go on board. I'm not. It's just a learning process. But yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all me doing this, mixing up the dye and stuff, because I don't really know what I'm doing. And I really shouldn't be doing this on myself, but what better way to learn than to do it on yourself, right? So yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna just mix up the dye and apply it. So I gotta read the instructions. So I'm telling you, I've never done this before, ever. I've always had people do it for me because I never trusted myself enough. But like, it's the worst that can happen, right guys? From the bottom. Especially with my glasses on. Which is that I'm more.
I should show those in the box before doing this, but I'm gonna show y'all the look. So I'm pouring all of it. This is so cool, guys. So we're gonna shake it, y'all. Option A or option B? Ooh, we have 2 options.
Bottle is white. Okay, I can't show y'all no more. I'm sorry. I don't want to mess my stuff up. I be burning it. Hey y'all, so this is the final look. It's not as light as I want it to be, but it can work. So now I'm about to just add the conditioner and then wash it out again. But yeah, can y'all see? It's like ginger. Y'all, I never had a color similar to this. It actually is a little lighter. Honestly, you can tell, like, I didn't know what the heck I was doing. You can tell I did not know what I was doing, who I was doing it with, because even like some of my fronts are brown, Like, I'm gonna order it for I want to order with this color. If y'all can see, you see it around the perimeter. But it's not. I had it on for maybe 25 minutes. I couldn't, like, I was keeping track, but also, I don't know, I could get nervous. Like, I didn't know if my hair was gonna fall out, so I kept getting scared. And I was in a rush to take it out. So I'm gonna dye it again, guys, and then I'm going to give you the color I want it to be, most likely. So, guys, I don't know if you can tell, but this is the color I ended up getting. I got some oils on my hair and oil in my hair, so it looks like that. He was gonna be in the video, but anyways. Wait, let me show y'all the whole hair. So I'm gonna dye it again tomorrow. See that tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's been 30 minutes and it's time to wash it out. It's there right now.
Is that very short already?
So let's see this one from the heavy got washed out.